Foundation repair often means you gotta decide if leveling your house is really necessary or if fixing the foundation alone will do, especially when you're selling and want to avoid scaring off buyers. So here's the deal. When you get a foundation repair quote, like for a pier and beam house, it can include leveling the entire structure to fix uneven floors. But sometimes, especially with older homes built long ago, some floor slope is normal and doesn't mean the house is unstable. You want to watch for real signs of problems like cracks in drywall, doors that stick, or new gaps around windows. If those aren't happening, you might be able to just repair the foundation supports without going full-on leveling and risking interior damage, like cracked walls or refitting everything. Keep in mind, leveling can be expensive because it messes with the whole house structure and finishes. So, talk to a trusted structural engineer or foundation expert who won't push unnecessary work. Also, make sure you get multiple opinions and check reviews to avoid companies that try to upsell by scaring you about normal house quirks. Fixing the foundation to stop movement is key, but perfectly level floors are usually not required by building codes, more like a nice to have for resale or personal comfort. If your floors slope but the house is stable, that's often fine as long as it's disclosed in the sale. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make when dealing with foundation repair quotes is assuming all uneven floors mean disaster, leading them to accept costly leveling that isn't needed. To fix this, get a clear assessment from an independent engineer. Another common issue is hiring foundation companies that use scare tactics and push expensive leveling plus cosmetic fixes like drywall and siding repair bundled together. Avoid this by separating foundation work from interior repairs and getting detailed estimates. Third, many people don't realize that some floor slope in old homes is normal and sell their house without disclosing it properly, which can cause buyer distrust. Transparency plus documented inspections help prevent this problem. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners by connecting them with trusted local contractors who specialize in foundation, repair, and other home projects, making it easier to find reliable pros without falling for sketchy sales pitches. For contractors, it's a great platform to get steady work from real customers looking for honest services in their neighborhoods.